This is a child abduction emergency regarding the following child, Haley, middle name Dawn, last name Willett. That's spelled Willett. She is a 13-year-old white female. She is 5 foot 5 inches tall, 102 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. The child was last seen wearing denim shorts and a white tank top. Law enforcement authorities believe that the child may be in the company of Archie Whalen. That's spelled Whalen. He is a 43-year-old white male. He is 6 foot tall, 200 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. The vehicle he was last spotted in is a red Chevrolet Silverado. The license plate is registered to the state of Maine. The license plate number is as follows, 8017RF.